Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with some more grocery goings ons and what's happenings. How y'all doing today? Hope all is well. Well, I got the camera vertical instead of horizontal because I don't know, it's more comfortable in my hand this way. Sorry if some of y'all like the horizontal better, but today is just gonna be vertical for comfort reasons. And also, I just want to let you know that I am sitting in front of the hall closet, which I store pantry goods and household items, appliances, and all kind of other stuff in this cabinet behind me. I have to, this is part of a pantry scheduled chores. And yes, I'm using my left hand instead of my right hand. I'm about ready to go to the doctor and get some kind of treatment. Even though I know my hand just, I probably need to quit using it, but just to make myself feel better, I just set an appointment, just go to the doctor and let them see it. And cause shoot, now my back out, now my hand, dang. Oh, how my body expect me to do any crafting like this? Hold up, y'all. See, guys, this is what I mean by doing rotating and stuff. And when you declutter, when you do your pantry chores, you get to looking at stuff because you forget you got stuff, you have stuff. I just see I have some roast beef and some tuna up in here. Both of them last, what they got, the 2028 and 2027. So I'll take my marker and I'll write that on the can for the inventory. Hold up. And that's what I want to share. Do the inventory chores are one of the most, I don't know if people enjoy it or not, but it's gonna be, I guess I'll try and make it have a good time. Okay. Okay, guys, I just want to give an example of tagging these labeling, tagging these pantry food items. This is what you call the inventory part, counting how much of something you have, and also labeling it and you know, writing the dates where you can see them. Part of inventory chores in the pantry. This is my scheduled pantry chore duties. And today is just an example, like on the chicken of the sea chunk tuna, it's in water. It is, what is this? This is 6 cans, no, 10 pack, excuse me. I think I got that from Sam's. The roast beef and the tuna, all this came from Sam. And it's 10 cans packed in water and it lasts February 27, 28. I wrote on the date on there where I can see. And the roast beef goes from February 22nd, 28. And the Clabber Girl, February 13th, 2027. I'll make a lot of biscuits and bread products, so the Clabber Girl will be used up. I think if it is old, you can just use more of it. But yeah, I just want to give an example of the inventory chores that I'm doing slowly because of my hand and my back. Injuries are no joke. Be careful when you do stuff, especially if you already have injury. Don't aggravate it by doing something you know you shouldn't be doing. And if you do, then you just have to pay the price. Doing that stuff, you get re-injured, then you gotta wait till you heal. So take it easy. Okay, pantry chores schedule duties is what I'm sharing here. My body trying to shut down no doggone well. I have too many things I need to do. And I don't want to be around here unable to craft, garden, and do the other things I enjoy doing. So, because of these doggone body problems, inflammation, whatever, it has slowed me down on gardening, crafting, and other things too. Because my freaking hand hurt. Don't lift nothing heavy with this right hand. Don't lift nothing heavy, especially for my back, because my back gonna go out. And it had me so stiff. You know, if you ever had back pain and you get stiff, can't move, your back go just completely out. What the heck? So, with all this going on, I guess, shoot, I'm just taking my doggone time. Anything that's being done is being done in slow motion. Do I want to craft some stuff? I surely do. I see my friend Pat over there doing Christmas in July. You think Miss Janine, I got stuff I made from the past. I'll just share that. But I have things I would like to put together and share with you all. Yep, love my craft. And then you see how now, I think, well, I only seen it on my monetized channel, on my grocery channel. They got this platform where you can create shows, podcast shows, lessons. They got all kind of stuff up going on over here. You want to teach a lesson, they got a section for that. Now they got a section where if you want to make a show, you know, like a lot of folks, content creators, have been discovered, and then they go on to be in TV and all that, in the movies. And now they do got a, here, wait a minute, let me put in this word. Now they have a section, I think it's only on, because I don't see it on my garden channel, I don't see it on my crafting channel, because definitely I would love to have that platform on my crafting channel, because I have created shows over there. I could be putting that on there, but it's not on there. I have to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And it's taken me my whole life. Didn't used to be that way. But now, shoot, since all these extra celebrities and their mamas and everybody and their grandmama over here, it's taken some of us longer than others to accomplish such a goal that shouldn't be taking any time at all. Oops, what am I doing? I didn't touch stuff. Why is it doing that? It's so focusing on the area. I don't know why they're doing that. Hold up, y'all. Okay, I'm back. I touched something, looked like the camera got real dark, even though I cut the hall light on. Sorry about that, you guys. But yeah, so on my crafting channel, I do got shows, little skits. I had my Reindeer Brothers, Granny. I had the Rebel Leader. If y'all ain't seen that, you gotta go to my crafting channel and check it out. And I told you guys, if you are paying attention and if you listen long enough in the video, you would hear me saying that I had some issues with comments, my comments being written on your channel from my crafting channel and from my gardening channel. I noticed after I wrote on your channel from my garden or my crafting channel, when I go back to your channel to see if I still see my comment, it's gone. Now some of y'all, I see Susie on her garden channel. When I wrote on her garden channel from my garden channel, I see my comment. But when I wrote on Pat channel, I don't see my comment anymore. So I'm just letting y'all know. In April, I wrote on her channel from my garden channel, and it disappeared. And I was inviting her to join my garden collab, which is on Saturday, because she has a beautiful garden. And I was explaining to her, it's just to share, you know, how your plant's doing, good or bad. And that all that writing I did on April channel was gone. But it's a glitch, so anyone that wants to join my garden collab, it's on Saturday. If you got a garden outside or inside, wherever you gardening at, and you want to share how well your plants doing, how you taking care of them, or if they not doing good, or you got some tips on how you making your plants do good, join my Saturday garden collaboration. You'll see the hashtag of the title of the video on my gardening channel. And right now, as you see behind me in this disorganized pantry area closet, this is where I'm putting in a little work today. Behind me, you can see La Victoria salsa. I think you see some green peas. You see a whole big, why did I get that big old gigantic 3,000 jumbo straws? I don't know. I thought it was a small package. That box came, I said, oh my goodness. Big old box of straws. Gonna last a lifetime. Yeah, so behind me it's all kind of cake. There's all kind of stuff in this cabinet that needs to be rotated in inventory. I have to write on the products. I need to put the date it expires. Now I'm gonna have to come back, and I might go live for a few minutes, but I'll just put in this little work today so I can catch y'all up on what's going on with me. Okay, so thank you for joining me today, and don't forget what I just said in here. Hope you guys caught some of the things I shared today, and thanks so much for the support, and share what you guys are doing. Invite me to your channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for